are just a few seconds away to know how to save a good amount of money every year. You heard it right. Not only that, you are also going to know how you can reduce your contribution of carbon footprint to the environment. Factory emissions, urbanization, automobile emissions, and other such factors add on to the global warming. Following these simple fuel-saving driving tips can save you money and also save the environment for the future. Impact of acceleration on your wallet and the environment. Always choose to make a conscious, gradual acceleration instead of a sudden acceleration. Gradual acceleration saves at least 30 to 45% of fuel, which in turn reduces carbon dioxide emission. This is clearly a win-win situation. High gear, low speed avoidance. Ever experienced your ride being jerky and shaky all the time? That's where it's going wrong. Never drive the car in high gear at low speed. This not only isn't safe, but consumes more fuel than you actually think. Similarly, low gear in high speed will also exhaust more fuel. Smart mode. A smart mode is engaging in any gear without accelerating the car or engaging the clutch. Please note that this is possible only when the car is moving downwards in a slope. This reduces the fuel consumption to a great extent. So far, we have seen the fuel savings tips in manual transmission. Now let's have a look at the AMT, AT, DCT and CVT variants. For better fuel efficiency, use always drive mode. While using manual mode, refer cluster gear indicator and change gears for better fuel efficiency and pickup. The creep function in AMT creates a slight forward movement without acceleration in city traffic conditions. This also helps in saving fuel. Monitoring tire pressure at regular intervals, minimizing frequent gear change, reducing half-clutch driving, avoiding sudden brakes and rapid acceleration, improves fuel efficiency and delivers a better driving experience. The way you drive your car is not just going to save you money, but will also help save the environment.
Hyundai.